off my cell phone and that's awesome, guys. I never see that. I never see that, Cortina. I'm scared about that. Gosh, oh gosh. Look at this face. I'm scared. What is that? Look at it, and there's camera inside. Look, and there's camera inside. Like that. And there's camera. God, I'm scared about that. I'm not gonna listen to my mom. Guys, it's really camping. I'm a little bit scared. I run for the camera. I don't know. What is that dark in bathroom? Maybe that's us. I'm outside. Guys, I never see that anyways, right? I never see that. Oh my gosh, it's coming, right? Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Don't put my eyes down. There's mommy over there. It's watching mommy that TV, but that's us. Oh, I'm scared. He's so baby. Mommy. What are you doing? I'm so scared. You see that too? I'm scared. That's scary. So scary, right? Scary. I do not see. What did I see? I don't see that a monster again because it's so hard to see. Somebody is over here. Oh my gosh. The TV is on. The TV is off now. The movie is only on. Right now, just joking you because we are subscribe the videos because Daddy is want to subscribe the videos, right? We definitely go yes. Because this is my video, guys. You don't know my videos on TikTok? That's my video and my friends. And this is my birthday for my friend for I am. And I'm ready for weekend. And for me, this is my party in my house. The one is party in my house. But this is my house. I drawing my color. That's a monster. I draw that monster. That one, you see that? That one? That you see that pirate ship? That one? Again, that way. And you can see that? You can see that? Pirate ship? Yeah, that's a pirate ship. That's a pirate ship because you can. That's a pirate ship. You can see that? Yeah, you can see that? The picture for the pirate ship? Look. That one is pirate ship. No, actually, I'm being real friendly. Now we're gonna subscribe the video for that, right? Now you want to say yes. You don't want to say yes. Now I don't want to subscribe. For you subscribe, now you want to say yes or no. You want to say yes or no. No? Why? Because that is gonna be the fan and you. Now you're gonna join not my game for my mommy. I'm pretty sure Ryan, Lammy, and Marshmallow. Never mind, I'm not talking about. But guys, we are in my house. Look, it's prettier than Ryan, but it's prettier than mine. But you're gonna subscribe that video for Daddy because it's pretty again for my life. It's birthday for Daddy. Yes, subscribe, red video, subscribe. Okay, you said Daddy, you subscribe. Okay, you subscribe this video. Okay, guys, you listen to me for Daddy. First, Daddy, you love me, but I'm not joining your Roblox. Right? I don't want to join your Roblox. But we're going to talk about them then. But Mommy said you're going to subscribe the video for Daddy. I'm going to subscribe for Daddy for him. Because that's a good idea. Okay? So sorry. Because I said, Daddy, you subscribe and like this video, okay? That's my name is Caitlin in Laker Box. We are the best friends in Laker Box. Now it's here, Laker Box. Now I gotta push it. But I gotta push the Laker Box. Because I mean, Mommy said, subscribe the video. You will say no. And you will say yes, I will subscribe you in your video. Okay? And no revenge for you. Now we're gonna subscribe the video for Mommy and Daddy. Because you don't wanna like the video, I will punch you. Okay? You listen to me. Bye guys. You subscribe the videos. Goodbye.